Stop waiting and take a chance. Take a chance now. Take a chance while you're still here. Take a chance while you're still alive. While you're still alive, while you're still here, take a chance today, because tomorrow ain't promised. Start today. What you waiting for? You waiting for a handout? You waiting for God to help you? You waiting for somebody to help you? Nah, bro. You gonna be waiting forever. You gonna be waiting forever. Because the harsh truth is nobody's gonna help you but yourself. Nobody can help you but yourself. That's the harsh truth. The brutal truth. Nobody can help you but yourself. So what you waiting for? Stop waiting and take a chance.